Choosing the right window glass can save you hundreds on energy bills. Here are the top 10 options, ranked from good to best. From Axiom Eco Homes. Smart glass lets you switch between clear and opaque at the touch of a button, costing between £400 and £800 per square metre. Low iron glass eliminates the greenish hue of standard glass, providing a clearer view, and costs between £200 and £350 per square metre. Solar control glass reflects excess heat, keeping south-facing rooms cooler, and costs between £200 and £350 per square metre. Acoustic glass can reduce outside noise by up to 40 decibels, costing between £200 and £400 per square metre. Self-cleaning glass uses a titanium dioxide coating that breaks down dirt in sunlight, costing between £200 and £350 per square metre. Laminated glass has a plastic interlayer that holds shards in place, making it tough to break through, and costs between £100 and £200 per square metre. Secondary glazing adds an extra pane inside your existing frame, ideal for listed buildings, and costs between £100 and £200 per square metre. Triple glazing with argon gas achieves a U value as low as 0.7, cutting heat loss by up to 50%, and costs between £250 and £400 per square metre. Acoustic glass reduces noise by up to 40 decibels, costing between £200 and £400 per square metre. Double glazing with low-E coating is the most cost-effective option, reducing heat loss by up to 30%, and costs between £150 and £250 per square metre. Ready to upgrade your windows? Contact Axiom Eco Homes for expert advice and installation.